Okay, good morning. So this would be your worksheet 1. Okay, right. Let's look through all the questions on there. Now, the first one, it says simplify. So we have to factorize this. Okay, we have to factorize the numerator and the denominator. The top one is x squared minus 16. So you know that is a difference of squares. So it will be written as x plus 4, x minus 4, because the difference of squares. The second one, if I try to simplify this, let's simplify here. 2 times 12, that's 24. Factors of 24, that makes 5. That's, that's 8 and 3. You want minus 5, so minus 8 plus 3. So if I write it, that's 2x minus 8. And then what's the other one? 2x plus 3. But remember, you got to divide it by that front 2 anyways. This would divide that, so that will give you x minus 4. And then the other one would be just 2x plus 3. Okay, let's put it over here now. X minus 4 and then 2x plus 3. Now you would look for the common one that you can cancel, top and bottom. There you go. Or you can always cross off diagonally if you wanted, if you have a multiplication sign, two different fractions. But on this one, top and bottom, yes, easy. That's equals to, what's my final answer? X at 4 over 2x plus 3. Good. Next one. You got a pentagon, got that. It's a 5-sided shape, okay. The angle BCD, which is BCD, if you look at it, BCD, so is this angle. It's 2 times the angle ABC, ABC, which is this angle. So obviously BCD is bigger, and then ABC is the smaller one. So if I say the ABC is x, the BCD is 2 times ABC, so it's 2x. And can you see this is a right angle, so this must be a 90. Let's put that over here, degrees. So we can add them. How many is it? We got 2x, add x, add 115, add 125, plus 90. It's equals to the total angle in a pentagon. Remember, it goes with the formula n minus 2, isn't it? So it's an n minus 2 times 180, if it's a complex shape. Now, so it's n minus 2 means 5 minus 2, because a pentagon is 5-sided, times it by 180. That's 3 times 180. You should know that's 540. Should be equals to 540. If I add it, I know that x at x, 2x at x, that gives me 3x. And if I go 115 plus 115 plus 125 plus 90, that gives me 330 plus 330 equals to 540. Subtract 330 both sides. 3x is equal to 210. Yeah, and then x is divided by 3 both sides. That gives me just 70. X is 70. Is that my final bit? No, they want BCD. BCD angle. I'm just going to write BCD. I'm going to put this here, so to make it say angle BCD equals 2x. So 2 times 70, which is 140 degree. That you have to write that. Remember, don't just do the x is 70 and leave it like that. Okay, go. 140. That's the answer. Here is a rectangle and a right angle triangle. Got that? The area of the rectangle is greater than the area of the triangle. Okay, area of the rectangle. What is it? Length times width, 3x minus 2 times x minus 1. That's the area of the rectangle, which is greater than sign the area of triangle. Area of triangle is base times height, x times 2x divided by 2. Okay, so if I multiply this one over here, that gives me 3x squared. If I multiply by 3x, okay, so that's 3x minus 3x. Then let's start multiplying by the minus 2, so that's minus 2x plus 2 greater than, if I multiply that side, what's that? X times 2x is 2x squared over 2. Let's simplify this on this side. 3x squared minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x plus 2 is greater than 2x squared divided by 2 is just x squared. It's a positive x squared. If you bring it to the other side, it becomes minus x squared. But I already have 3x squared, so that makes it 2x squared, because it's 3x squared take away 1x squared, minus 5x plus 2 is greater than, remember this x squared is gone, so it must be 0. I got to factorize this now. 2 times 2 makes it 4. Factors of 4, that makes 5 is 4 and 1. I want minus 5, minus 4, minus 1. 2x minus 4, 2x minus 1 divided by the front number, which is the coefficient of x squared, which is 2. That will take care of that. X minus 2, 2x minus 1. Remember, if I try to put this up on a number line, so okay, let me just get the answer. X is probably 2, or x is a positive half. 2 positive half is a small number, so it sits here. Okay, we have to look at which way my arrow is pointing. Sorry, the inequality sign, if you want to call it. There you go. It's pointing that way, so it must go there and there, like that. So x is what sign? Less than a half, or x is greater than 2. Okay, x is less than a half and x is greater than 2. Find the set of possible values for x. And also you must also know that the x must also be greater than 0 at the same time as well. Yeah, remember that. The x must be greater than 0 as well. Just remember that. Okay, because you cannot have a less than 0. Making the subject an easy one. Let's rewrite this. K means k over 1. Let's expand the bracket on the top. That gives me 2t plus 6 over t minus 3. Cross multiply it. K times t is kt. K times minus 3 is minus 3k. Equals 1 times 2 is 2t. Sorry, 1 times 2t is 2t. 1 times plus 6 is plus 6. Bring in that, you're making the t the subject, remember? So we'll keep this here. The 2t comes on the left hand side. Minus 2t now because it's over positive. Jumps the equal sign, negative. The 6 can stay here. It's a positive 6, so I don't really worry about that sign, 6. The minus 3k go to the other side, so it becomes plus 3k. We will take the t common, because that's what we make in the subject. K minus 2 equals 6 plus 3k. And then obviously t is equals to 6 plus 3k over k minus 2. Okay. Do remember, sometimes, depending on which way you put it through, some people might get minus 6 minus 3k and 2 minus k as the answer as well. Okay, but this one is a better answer on the left hand side, which is 6 plus 3k over k minus 2 is a better one. It doesn't mean it's the only correct one. Okay, if you got the other one, you're fine as well. Okay, good. Okay, product rule for counting. There are 19 different body colors, 20 different view types. The total number of roof colors. Okay, we don't know the roof colors. Let's call it x. So we can go x times 19 times 25 should be equal to 3,325. So what is x is? 3,325 divided by what? 19 times 25. It's a 2-mark question, so it's not that bad. Okay, if I put that on my calculator, that's just going to give me 7. So how many roof colors do we have? 7. Good. Okay.